How to check flight status on Air Tahiti Nui. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can check your flight status on Air Tahiti Nui. How do you go about it? The first step is to log in into your Air Tahiti account just like I've done here. Scroll down to the section where you can see online check-in, manage my booking, arrival, and departures. So select that. So by selecting arrival and departure, you'll be brought to the departures and arrivals page. So on this page, the next step will be for you to scroll up. Alright, so here you can actually check out your flight status. Okay, as you can see here. So you have to select enter in your travel information like your departure as well as your destination, city or airport. Then select your travel dates as recorded in your flight information. Then select the kind of trip it is. Then click on search flight. By clicking on search flights, flights would be tracked, and then you'll be able to view the current status of your flight, including the departure and the arrival times. Alright, so by scrolling down now, you can see the current flight status, right? This is how it's going to be displayed by the time you enter in the information requested for in here. Okay, so that is this is how you can check your flight status easily. And then you can also make use of third-party websites like FlightAware or AirPortia to track your Air Tahiti Nui flight. But this is the major way to go about it. So thank you for watching and have a good day.